Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Automation is future. So, today we are going to see different types of components and their working mechanism in an simulation software called Fluid Sim software. So, the software which I have is an licensed version. So, we will be going to see what all the components we have seen till now, those components and their working mechanism. How do they work in the simulation software? So whatever like application running mechanism is done initially in simulation software, and then we will be going for real-time practical one that way. So I have the software, simulation software. This is how the dashboard looks like. So here you can see we have a different set of these things. So firstly, we want to see about supply elements. So I am expanding the supply elements. Just let me make it a little bit more bigger. Yeah. So these are the different types of supply elements we have. So firstly, we have a compressed air supply, which is represented in a triangle. Okay, and then we have startup valve manifold and manifold. Okay, so generally these startup valve manifolds, these are used to represent the flow of air. So here you can see there is a start button. If I am clicking on the start button, we can see an animation. Flow of air is being there, and it is flowing at the rate of 0.013 megapascals. These values can be changed. These pascal values can be changed. Just double click on the component and it will be showing different types. So we commonly will be using as bar. So I had set it as bar, and whenever it is showing the thing. Okay, here when we set this way, we can see. So these are the different set of components available. Let us see the majorly components which we have seen. We have seen air service unit, combination of filter, pressure regulator, and gauge. So just double click on the pressure regulator. You can change it to bar. Simulated values is also bar. Yeah, and just click on OK. And the simplified version of air service unit, and we have the actual this thing compressor, variable compressor, and we have seen filter with the drain, filter with automatic drain, we have seen manual drain, lubricator we have seen. So just how to bring the components, just select the component, drag and drop. That's it. So by dragging and dropping in the workspace, you can see when you start simulation, you can see whichever the pressure rating. So this is showing in bar, the remaining two are showing in megapascals. Why? Because we have set it only for this one in bar. Okay, so these are the normal components, and next we have actuators in pneumatics. Next we have seen about actuators, single acting cylinders, double acting cylinders, double side rod cylinders, linear drives, air motors in both the directions, semi rotors. These are the different types of actuators we have seen. And then we have seen direction control valve In these we have different type: configurable, mechanical, pneumatic, and solenoid. So configurable in the sense I can configure the type of activation. So just double click on the component. You can go for configure valve. You can select any one depending upon the usage. You can go for manual or mechanical on both the sides, or you can give spring returns. So whatever the option you are selecting, it will show in the top right corner. Just click on OK, the component get modified. So, and if you want the preset ones, we have mechanical, pneumatic, solenoid operated. So the most commonly seen are 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. In hydraulics, we will be seeing 4 by 2s. So this way, and then we have flow control valves. In flow control valves, we have learned about check valves, variable valves, spring loaded check valves, and we have seen two-way pressure valves, shuttle valves, throttled check valves, or one-way flow control valves, quick exhaust valves. These are the different types of components which are available in the software. So, whatever component we can see, all those are available in the software. Now, let us see how to connect these for single acting cylinder, double acting cylinder. Uh, in this video, we'll see like single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder. Remaining videos, we'll continue with the others. Yeah. So let us open a new file. Yeah. So activation of, let us see activation of single acting cylinder. So I have taken single acting cylinder. For single acting cylinder, I wanted compressor. So initially we'll go with the variable compressor and air service unit. Okay, I have taken an air service unit, and I wanted to control the air pressure. So I'm going with push button operated 3 by 2 valve. So how do we connect this? We'll connect from air compressor to air service unit, from air service unit to my 3 by 2, from 3 by 2 to my single acting cylinder. Just a second, guys. So in this way we will be connecting, and when we start, it shows an error. It is saying open pneumatic connections. So here open pneumatic connection in the sense this connection is open. Start simulation. After giving start simulation, here you can see there are two lines popping out, dark blue and light blue. Dark blue indicates pressurized air, light blue indicates non pressurized air. And in 3 by 2, I am taking closed one. When I press this, airflow goes and cylinder activation happens. So, this is how we will be using 3 by 2 valve for single acting cylinder activation. I hope you guys got an idea. Now, let us see about double acting cylinder working with 5 by 2. Same simple thing, we will take double acting cylinder. Now I am taking simplified version of compressor, same as simplified version of air service unit. Now let us go for 5 by 2 wall. Here also I am taking, yeah, 5 by 2 wall with push button. So just connect this 5 by 2 wall. Sorry guys, I'm connecting 5 by 2 wall with this one, inlet to air compressor. So when I press the push button, cylinder moves forward. When I release the push button, cylinder moves backward. So in this way, we will be using a simulation for real-time animation viewing purpose. So I hope you guys got an idea how the software works. We'll be discussing about different these things in the coming videos in the next videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Automation is future. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automation is Future. Thank you, guys.